Hey everyone, welcome to CJ Pony Parts. Today we'll be working through another install, walking you through the process step by step so you can tackle it with confidence. We'll show you everything you need to know, from any prep, tools you'll need to do the job, or fitment to get the perfect look, plus a few helpful tips to make your install go smoothly. Let's get it in gear and get started. Today we'll be adding a water shield to Betty, also known as a vapor barrier, and it is the protectant layer that goes between your door panel and the exterior of your door. It blocks water from going from the outside into your cabin. And it was while we were replacing the door handles and the exterior door handle that we realized Betty didn't have one, so we're gonna change that today. To get started, you'll want to remove your armrest and your door handles. We have videos on how to do that and how to install your new ones. You can see the links in the description. So here is our water shield or vapor barrier, whatever you'd like to call it, and you'll want to place it with the plastic against the door. And what we'll be using to do that is some 3M black super weather strip and gasket adhesive. You'll want to go along the inside of your door, just inside of the holes where your door panel attaches, where your door panel clips go in. And just any solid surfaces that you want to trace, you can, but making sure you have that good seal around the outside first. If you have existing adhesive on your door, you're going to want to make sure that you scrape that off so that the gasket, the sealant, makes a good contact between the barrier and the door. Once your adhesive seal is around the door, you'll want to put your water barrier on with the black to the door and start with your post for your handles to get it lined up. And once it's on there, you can just work your way around the door, making sure not to block your holes that your door panel clips go through. That's it. You have installed your water barrier. Let's get this door back together. Our door panel back on and our armrest and our handles. To install the new door panel, you'll just want to work your way around the door, lining up your clips into the existing holes. A little pro tip, you'll want to make sure the little legs of the clip are started through the hole before you fully press the clip on. If you press and the clips are not started into the hole on the door, it could bend them the wrong way. So be sure to hold on to some of your old clips just in case you bend these. Once you have all of your clips pushed in, you need to reinstall your armrest and your door handles. That wraps up this install. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future installs, product spotlights, or event coverage. Got questions or want to show off your ride? Drop a comment or tag us on social media. We love to see what you're building. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.